We're gonna work on this truck right here. On my Bourbon. Then we're gonna change these lights to LED. First, we're gonna take this one off. Careful not to crack the lens. There we go. All right. Take this part off. Nice and slowly. Bam. And there goes that light. See it right there? I'm gonna take this. Wiggle it out. And here's the old bulb. Now we're gonna replace it with this right here. Bam. Get these from Amazon. We got a good deal. Blue LEDs, baby. Go up in there. Wow. I'm gonna open this up. And there she go. Get back our towel. Oopsies. And we're gonna shove her back in there. Like so. And there she is into her hole. And we're gonna put the lens back over it. Alright, so there she is. LEDs in the hole. This you ain't gonna really need, because if you look at the light, you got the light all around. That's just to, you know, focus the light, but it'll be all right. There we go. Go ahead, put this back on, like so. Kind of short-handed today because my son's cleaning his room. So I gotta do everything by myself. Alright. So that's back on. Check this out. LED, regular. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna do that one. Alright, let's see how it looks now. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to change this out. But this part right here. First, you need a pry bar and a screwdriver. Let me get my screwdriver real quick. Okay. Now, this part is kind of tricky because there's two tabs I hold in. This one and this one. What I like to do is try to get the top one first. Alright, once you got the top one off, you come right here. And pull this one up, and it'll slide out. Be right back. There we go. That's the old one. There's the new one. You see? It'll pop. Oh yeah. There's one. Pop right on. All you gotta do is massage it a little bit. Make sure the tabs click. There you go. Now you got. And that's how you place a rear locking clip for your split seat.